like them dirty.
Oh my gosh, look at the lips. Look at the
Oh my god. Why his dress?